Hello everyone. I would like to give a warm welcome for everyone to opt this introduction to artificial intelligence. Let us walk into a journey of introductory course of artificial intelligence. We'll have thorough overview of AI, so artificial intelligence in short for AI. We'll be seeing applications, what are the foundations of AI, and also what are the histories, like how exactly the AI came into picture, how it was developed, and what are the area of aspects it dominated human race, and so on. So then we'll be seeing introduction to a programming language. So basically, the prerequisites for this course are none. So basically, if you have any basic mathematical knowledge, would be more than sufficient, and ready, the keen of learning a programming language and working with whole lot of concepts implementing on that programming language. So we'll be seeing a programming language known as Python. We'll be walking through complete basics instruction set. So basically, whole syntax, every single, almost everything which is required for this particular course. Okay, so we'll be seeing in Python basics. We'll be seeing about functions, packages, and also we'll be seeing few of the packages. Again, need not to worry what exactly it is right now if it is not making any sense. But in detail, we'll be going through each one of them. Okay, and then we'll be seeing what are intelligent agents and all, and then we'll be creating machine learning models. So again, over there we'll be dealing with a few standard steps, and then deep learning, and also we'll be having visual applications. So we'll be seeing with respect to facial expressions and so on and so forth. Okay, let us discuss in detail about everything in further videos. So in this video, let us have a very brief introduction about what is an AI. An artificial intelligence composes of two words, that is artificial and intelligence. So where artificials can be known as man-made, okay, and intelligence is defined as thinking power. So hence AI is nothing but a man-made thinking power. Okay. So again, you can put down in other words a statement like this. So it is a branch of computer science by which we can create intelligent machines which can behave like humans, think like humans, and able to make decisions like humans. So in artificial intelligence exists only a machine can have human based skills like learning, reasoning, and problem solving. With AI, you don't need to pre-program a machine to do some work. Okay, so despite that, you can create a machine with programmed algorithm which can work as your own intelligence. That is the awesomeness of AI. So it is believed that AI is not just a new technology, and some people say that there were mechanical men in early days which can work and behave like humans. So again, it is as per Greek myth. So in today's world, technologies are growing very fast. Okay, so we need to get in touch with different technologies day by day. Okay, so here is the very booming technology of computer science, which is nothing but AI, which is ready to create new revolution in the world by creating intelligent machines. Okay, so intelligent machines is nothing but we call them around as artificial intelligence. So it is currently working on variety of subfields, okay, ranging from general to specific. Okay, so for example, self-driving cars, playing chess, providing theorems, playing musics, paintings. So we have like those who are interested can go check out an artificial intelligent platform. Again, it is waitlisted. You might not get, but you might not get to try your own designs. But still, there are a lot of designs uploaded online. So basically, artificial intelligence paintings. You can just Google that. You will find whole lot of images where it is like kind of out of the box. You just need to give certain wordings, so with those wordings it will start creating. Okay, so one such word is something like a astronaut riding a horse on a moon or something like that. Okay, so just go and check out and you will understand better. Okay, so again here we have few more definitions for AI. Okay, so this is from different resources. These are different perspective of different people with respect to the AI. So basically AI is nothing but intelligence, the ability to learn and solve problems. Okay, so AI is an intelligence that exhibits by machines and software without any human involvement on later on phases. Okay, so maybe at the initialization we have to create our own like kind of target work, what exactly is the problem and how exactly the approach for solving problems. Okay, and then we have another definition like the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. Okay, so this is another way how you can put down an AI is. And finally we have the study and the design of intelligent agents, where an intelligent agent is a system that perceives its environments. Okay, so it always has this senses of what exactly environment it is working, and it will take action that to maximize the chances of success. Okay, again, with respect to what are the kind of inputs and outputs, maybe we'll have a thorough discussion about applications of AI in the upcoming videos. So, what are the goals of AI? We can put out in simple words. Okay, so maybe the goals of AI would be like replicating human intelligence. So it has to think like a human, act like a human, take decisions like a human. Okay, and solving knowledge-intensive task. So it is not just like the human. It is again with respect to knowledge-intensive. Sometimes a human being can also cannot take a intelligent decision, whereas an AI trained for such specific applications can definitely take whole lot better intelligence to maximize success rate. And an intelligent connection of perception and action. Okay, so what exactly is happening around the environment and what action needs to be taken. Okay, so again, building a machine which performs tasks which is similar to human intelligence. Okay, so for example, like proving of theorems. So we have whole lot of mathematical theorems which are not proved. Okay, so it are not derived, but definitely they are proved with examples. Okay, so maybe getting derivations of how exactly these theorems come up. And we have like playing chess. I think this would be most common, where at least everyone would have interacted at least once with an artificial intelligence which plays like it is a one player chess, but the other players would be a computer system. Okay, so that is an AI. Next, you can have in medical field such a way that you can plan for some surgical operations, diagnose with respect to a patient's condition. Again, there will be various inputs like what exactly is symptoms and also medical history, etc., and so on. And also finally, driving a car. Definitely in traffic, driving a car, taking smart decisions where exactly it needs to go. And we have a whole lot of AI with respect to self-driving cars in practice today itself. Okay, and also another goal would be creating some system which exhibits intelligent behavior, where it learns new things by itself, demonstrates them, and explain, and also can advise to its users. Okay, again, this AI can advise an user. So maybe we have examples like personal assistants. Okay, so over there you can ask advice for your personal assistant too. Second, based on their level of intelligence, which are like kind of in artificial intelligence, there can be suggestions to the user. Okay, so those are few definitions. So why do we need AI? Okay, so why exactly is AI required? So before like understanding, let us consider a scenario where a human brain may fail to take an intelligent decision and needs someone who can make a wise and intelligent decision for him. Okay, so in such situation, we can understand that there is a need of AI. Okay, so who can help me in this situation? Maybe an AI who has been repeatedly trained with similar environment. Okay, so during such scenarios, AI will take a smarter decisions. Okay, so with an help of AI, you can create a software or a device which can solve real world problems. Okay, very easily, and with definitely a lot of accuracy. So for example, we have health issues, marketing, traffic issues, so on. With the help of AI, you can create personal assistants such as Cortana, Google Assistant, Siri, and so on. And also with the help of AI, you can build such robots which can work in an environment where survival of humans are at risk. Okay, so for example, mining areas, construction areas, so on. And AI opens a path for other technologies, other devices, and new opportunities too. Okay, so once an AI came into picture, we have a separate branch known as machine learning, which will be also walking through the basics so that it will help us when we are doing on our projects, working on our projects. Okay, so it has created many more technologies, since we need a lot of intelligent decisions to be taken. Okay, so we need whole lot of input data for the um, artificial intelligence to get more intelligent. Okay, so for that we have deep learning, we have data mining, so on. So therefore AI has like groomed the world with a exploring intelligent power. And we have few more points which can make of which we can list out why we need AI for more efficiency. Okay, so AI can be used for intelligent decisions as compared to human beings. AI can use to analyze data more deeply, again with examples, with when we are at practical implementation at project phase, this will make much more sense. And to maintain security and privacy of data more efficiently and effectively. Okay, so security and privacy is one of the crucial, especially at this age of technology. And we have to to create expert system that has the capability to explain and advise the users too, as I had already mentioned. Okay. And AI can also be used to speed up with respect to work performance. Okay. So a machine is working, it can perform millions of operations every second. Okay, so that's why the speed of work would also be very more, and especially as I was telling, more analysis of deeply analysis of a data. Okay, so working on such fast at such faster rates, definitely AI can easily get with respect to getting understanding of all the data, applying some kind of calculations on them. Okay, so we have few more things which we can consider. So these are the same things which I just discussed. So the need of AI. So AI can be used for making intelligent decisions as compared to humans, analysis of data more deeply, to maintain security and privacy of data. It is more important with respect to more effectively and more efficiently. Okay, and to create systems having capability to explain and advise to users. AI can also be used to speed up the work performance. So that's all for this video. In the upcoming videos, let us have a detailed discussion about where exactly AI is implemented, what are the components of AI, advantages, disadvantages, and especially foundation and history of it.